Hello to anyone that's watching. My name is Greg with another tutorial, and this time we're going to be looking at the Fixflo integration within PayProp. So first things first, we're just going to run through how we would enable this feature and set this up on your platform. So we go into the settings tab first of all, and then we go into the integrations tab. From here you'll see the Fixflo box here, so you just left click on that. On this page now it says how to activate Fixflo. So activating the Fixflo integration will allow you to seamlessly and quickly create maintenance issues for properties you manage on PayProp. So first of all, what is Fixflo? If you don't know what Fixflo is and you actually haven't got an account with them yet, there's a nice little video here. It's just a 2-minute description of who they are and what Fixflo does. But essentially Fixflo is your complete property repairs system, from picture-based guided repair reporting to one-click work instruction with automated reminders. Fixflo is your complete works order system. And then with a few simple clicks, contractors are contacted with quotes, landlords are contacted for approval, and tenants are kept up to date on the repairs process. Right, so now you know who Fixflo are and you already have an account with them and you're live using Fixflo. Step 1 is to click yes that you do have an account. If not, you need to make sure that you go and sign up with them. So we're going to click on yes. Step 2, you need to go to the authentication tokens page on your Fixflo account, copy your agency ID and generated API key and paste them in the form fields below. For more information on how to obtain your agency ID and API key, please visit the information page here. So if we click on this page, it's going to take us to a nice easy setup guide. So we've got screenshots here of what you need to click on to generate your token and your API. So from there, you then go back into your PayProp page, enter in your agency ID and your API key. Once they've been added, you then click on this button here, which will give permission, and then you click on activate this feature. Once this has been activated, you'll then see this within your dashboard and the integration will be live. Now that the integration has been enabled, on your main dashboard, on the bottom right, you will see the maintenance section. You will see any open maintenance issues and also any unlinked maintenance issues. So, first of all, by clicking on open maintenance issues, that will take you into your Fixflo account, which you can view any open issues. If you click on the unlinked maintenance issues, that will take you into our next screen, which will be any unlinked issues which you can then link up via PayProp. If you do have any unlinked issues on PayProp, what you can do is go into the next section here and manually link the property to the issue. So all you need to do is use the drop down and select the property that the issue relates to, and after you've selected the property you can click on link, which will then link the property to that maintenance issue. Within each property, like the example here, what you will see at the bottom is a section for any maintenance issues. You'll see the date it was raised, the tenant, the category and also the status. From here you can also click on view property or create maintenance issue, and again that will take you back into your Fixflo login where you can carry out the outstanding tasks. Thank you very much for listening to another tutorial. If you do need any further support, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you, goodbye.